This is a 2019 Lexus UX250H F-Sport Hybrid, all-wheel drive. The Lexus is a low-mileage two-owner vehicle with remaining factory warranty. There are no accidents recorded on a history report. The interior and exterior are very clean. It runs and drives smooth and quiet. The tires are 18-inch Bridgestone Turanzas, and they are in good shape. You will love the fuel economy on this all-wheel drive. 41 mpg in the city and 38 on the highway. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, continuously variable transmission. Features include F-Sport Premium Package, which includes moonroof, heated front seats, rain-sensing wipers, heated F-Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters, leather interior with front power adjustable seats, blind spot monitoring, Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, intelligent high-beam headlamps, road sign assist, Lexus multimedia system with 7-inch color display, Apple CarPlay compatibility, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, smartwatch and Alexa skill integration, and backup camera, 6-speaker Lexus premium sound system, 10 airbags, dual-zone climate control, power rear lift gate with kick sensor, keyless entry. This 250H has it all: luxury, safety, all-wheel drive, and amazing fuel economy. Take a test drive today and experience the build quality that Lexus offers and the reliability of being made by Toyota. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana